Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, May 27th, 2009. What a day. What a day. Can you say reversal day? Abso-freaking-lutely. Euro could not make it above previous day high. Hanging man confirmed. We're going down, baby. Any rallies look to be short the euro. I think we come in easily, maybe to 137. And then we probably go back up. But, again, nice little pause, nice reversal day. I'm liking it. I think the German numbers are going to be terrible. Sterling dollar, like we said, the relative strength winner. Hopefully some of you benefited from that. Sterling punching through 160, baby. Got up as high as 160.87. Dollar yen looks relatively bullish, not really, but it could push a little bit higher, maybe get up to 96.10. But I think this 95.50 level is a big spot. Failed here today. And again, my little line here. This zone, I think, again, we come in. Excuse me. Oh, terrible. Getting over my cold. How about that pound Aussie? I got to show you that one. Bang! Zoom to the moon, baby. What a trade in that pound Aussie today. How about that Euro Canada? Looks like it's going higher, by the way. Euro Canada. Well, this is dollar Canada. Look at the hammer there. Ooh, can you say hammer? Picture perfect. I am liking that Euro Canada to the downside. Dollar Canada to the upside. Euro dollar to the downside. But look at that Euro Canada. Down over 200 pips from the highs at one point. Bang. No hammer. No soup for you. I think we come in and we retest again on a Euro weakness. But again, I think dollar Canada looks pretty good on the upside. Sterling dollar. Looking like a pretty good shooting star to me. And again, those of you that have been waiting for me to say short it, well, it's time, baby. It is time. Time to get shorty. I think we come down, that's 157.50 and change around there. Previous day low. We take out today's lows. Look out below, baby. Bye-bye. But certainly not closing very well. Looking like a nice shooting star. Held up because our little friend, Euro sterling, touching the big level. But you know what? Look how it bounced off it the last time. It didn't really bounce off it this time. Which says to me lower. Which says to me euro dollar lower. Which says to me cable's probably going to put up a fight. This looks horrible. Big trade today in euro sterling. More downside. We take out 86.50. I mean, obviously we're going to retest that again. We take out that 86.50. We could easily test 85, I guess. I mean, we take this level out, we could melt down. It's such a big spot. Maybe 86 will be a spot. Certainly euro sterling looks like it's coming to an end a little bit, but I think there's another day, baby. One more day, which gets us to sterling yen. Sterling yen holding up fairly well, but I have to say, triple roll, baby. Tonight, we're selling it. Abso-freaking-lutely. El cable yen. Totalmente cable. We're getting short. Long the yen. Do I think it's going to continue this breakout? Listen, it's a closing high. It is very bullish, but it really, failed at the end of the day. The stock market was weak. Maybe we get a chance to sell it higher at 5 o'clock, but, we don't sell things until 5 p.m. But, the euro yen, the reason why I'm also more bearish on sterling yen, because euro yen looks so freaking amazing. Perfect. Look at the wedge that we have developing on the daily here. Just phenomenal. So my target on euro yen, certainly in the short term, is come down to at least 128, 129. Will it get there tonight? I have no idea. 130? Certainly in the cards, possibly. But beautiful wedge. They tried to break it out and failed. 3-day closing low. Euro yen a dead short. SOS, people. You know what that means. Sell on strength. Look at the Aussie yen. Big reversal there. Nice reversal. Took out previous day high. Couldn't hold it. Closing below previous day open. So it's a 3-day closing low. Looks great. And again, holding it up, I think, for triple roll, and we're going to be selling that at 5 o'clock. Absolutely. Luna yen. All the yen carries. Oh, baby. It don't get no better than that. 85, say hello to 84. Easy. That's like an easy trade. Your stop is 86. So Luna yen looking phenomenal to the downside. Beautiful shooting star. Hammer on dollar Canada. And last but not least, New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen also rolling over, topping out. Stock market looks weak. And again, as far as numbers that came out, existing home sales out of the U.S., a little bit better, but big deal. Stock market was the key, down 173. Bond yields to the moon, Alice. To the moon. I got Ron Paul on my audio today. Certainly I want you to check that out. Let's look at the hourly chart on this euro-dollar chart. And we see here, busted. The whole uptrend channel is now busted. 10, 20, 30 across the downside. Any rallies in this euro, maybe up to like 139.05. Maybe we push up a little bit, in this zone, 139, even 20. It's still a short. But again, really, I'd say we have 139.20 and change. It could still rally up there and still be a short. 138.50 is huge. We take this out, say a little 137.50 quick. So this euro, any rallies tonight, we want to be short, people. And sterling dollar, we'll take a look at that also on the hourly. We have plenty of time. I got another 3.5 minutes. I'll run through all the hourlies with you if you want. Take a look here. Sterling dollar could easily hold, get a little bounce, a little bouncy. Held just about to perfection, almost. But we get a little bullish engulfing. What, you think sterling dollar is going to go out without a fight? It's not going to retest 160 again? Come on. Now, they made so much fanfare over it. Oh, cable over 160, so sucked a lot of people in. A lot of longs that are not very strong are going to get shaken out. But again, any rallies in here, the 160.20 level, 160.10, I like it. To the downside, baby. Cable topped out. But again, hourly chart looks like it can go higher. How much? Obviously that's the $1,000,000 question. Certainly maybe 110.30. Look for that shooting star. Maybe we get bullish engulfing. We roll back over. Something like that. Something. Euro yen. Also, you want to take a look at this hourly chart. Certainly a nice little hammer forming on the hourly. And I hope it rallies. I hope it rallies up to 132.50. I really do. Again, if you have any questions about going premium, feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. Be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Remember that 3-month deal coming on Friday. Check out globalfxradio.com to sign up. And remember, you can try out the 1-week trial, see if you like me. A lot of you don't. I could give a crap. Just kidding. And you can try out my service. Try my product. Again, this is so euro yen to me certainly broke through this channel line to the upside. Looks now like it's rolling over. Daily chart looks great. This euro yen could bounce. What if we hammer? We could hammer here, get up to 32.60. That'd be a great spot. Luna yen also. Look how gorgeous shooting star on the daily, but then let's take a look at the hourly. Nothing goes down in a straight line, right? This baby can bounce. I want it to bounce. I need it to bounce. 85.30 in that zone. Be a nice spot. But that now, you look at the alley with a grain of salt. It's like, that daily is toast. Sterling yen. Again, if euro sterling's going to retest the lows, cable's going to be relative strength winner. Sterling yen's going to put up a fight. So if there's anyone I'd rather be short the commodity yens, long the yen against commodity currencies as well as the euro. But the pound, I'd rather look to sell strength in that sterling yen, not look to really sell weakness. SOS. Looks like it'll push higher. All right, everyone, have a good night. Feel free again. Dollar strength, baby. I didn't do the dollar index, sorry. Tomorrow, but dollar index, nice little hammer. Hold that 80 level. Dollar index looks great. Have a good night. Bye-bye.